G. Ignacio po.
Reason for not turning. No? Tatsulok, buklod. That's a special song, no? Baka critical ako. If it's something you do and you put your heart out every time you get on stage, and when I sing that song, right? There's meaning to it, eh. Ilang beses nawawala ako sa kanta na yun. So, baka yun ang hinahanap ko, eh, no? I wanted to get lost in you. You had a very nice, soulful rendition of that song. Pero ako kasi nahanap ko yung buhos ng emosyon. Yun na, alright? So, that's all it is.
Me naman, I know that she would turn. I knew if she didn't turn, I would punish her because this is she's someone who really needs your soulful voice. So you belong on the team of Soul Supreme, KZ Tandingan.
Parang hindi ko alam kung ako dapat ang magtanong na ito. Sa kinanta niya, feeling ko, alam ko na yung sagot. Pero tatanong ko pa rin, sino ba ang mga influence mo sa pagkanta?
Si Coach Bambo po.
Oh!
All good, all good.
Bakit gustong-gusto mo si Coach Bambo? Para makonsensya siya?
It's okay.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, what's wrong with me?
Yeah, what's wrong with Coach?
No, what is it about them?
Magaling po talaga siya.
Oh, thank
Talagang...
This is,
Nako,
thank
sinabi
you.
mo.
I appreciate that, thank you.
Anong favorite song, bamboo song? Anong favorite bamboo song?
Tatsulok po.
Ayun na.
Let's do it together.
Is it the same key here? Let me, you want me to give it a shot?
You want to sing it with
I'll
bamboo?
give it a shot. I'm a little hoarse.
Come on!
Make your dream come true.
AKA Buklod. Hey, congratulations, ha?
Toto'y makinig ka, huwag kang magpagabi. Makapagkamalangkat, humandusay dyan sa tabi. Toto'y kumilos ka, baliktarin ang tatsulok. At tulad ng dukha na iligay mo sa tukto. Habang may tatsulok at sila nasa tukto, di magtatapos. Hindi magtatapos. Hindi magtatapos. Part of the problem mo, ito ang part of the solution.
Di ka kasya sa akin.
Hoy, diretso Tagalog diretso. Di ka kasya sa akin. Kanina kasi, the reason why I turned sa'yo, pinapakinggan ko kung paano mo binibitawan ng bawat salita. At nararamdaman ko na every time may ginagawa ka, there's commitment. Yun yung parang hinihingi ng kanta. Na ibibigay mo ang lahat. And isa sa pinaka-importante is, kahit hindi ako nakatingin sa'yo, I felt your presence on stage. Kasi kanina, kahit hindi ko nakita yung kabuuan ng performance mo, nakita ko kung paano ka nag-perform kasama si Coach Bamboo, at hindi ko naramdaman na na-intimidate ka. And that says a lot about your character at kung paano ka pa mag-perform in the future. So, welcome to Team Supreme. Welcome to Team Supreme.
Good job.